Okay, I have a quick little channel update. As you may or may not have noticed, I haven't really been posting a whole lot of content over the last, actually, like month or so. Um, and the reason is I've been looking for a new shop facility. Couple weeks ago, we got notified that the building we just moved into, like 6 months ago, was sold. And the new owner basically is going to either renovate the building or level it. Just basically asked all the tenants to start moving and getting their stuff out. So instead of, waiting and kind of dreading that, we've been actively looking for new spaces, and I found this. I took delivery of it yesterday, got the keys yesterday. So we're going to start moving in. It's a nice spot. So it's, nice insulated steel building, high ceilings. It's got heat. There it is. There's the heat of furnace hanging from the ceiling there. It's got a bathroom over here. So pretty sharp. The lighting is decent. And I think it'll be phenomenal once I put those LED strips that I brought over to the new place. So I'll move those over here, get that all hooked up. Kind of dreading the move in the sense of how much work it was to move all my stuff to my current location. But I'm also kind of like cautiously optimistic that it won't be that bad. Because I feel like I kind of learned a lot moving to where I am now. Like I consolidated some stuff, got rid of some stuff, and also worked better on my storage and, got bins for certain things and like that. So I kind of have the approach in my head, how I want to come here. So actually where I'm standing, I have pallet racking at my new place now, or my existing place. So I'll bring that here first, set it all up, and just basically as the stuff comes in, put it right where in its final resting place, if you will. But that's really it. I mean, this was a wood shop, so there's like sawdust everywhere. There's actually this tarp on the wall that was used to you can see the sawdust all up on it. But it was kind of to protect the wall. So I'm going to pull all that down, clean up a little bit before we move in. What else? Yeah, I don't know. Looking forward to getting in here. The irony is my other shop. So I moved to my current location like 6 months ago, which is a couple towns away, like 2-3 towns away. But prior to that, I was in the same facility for like 7 years, and that is literally a stone's throw from here. So it's kind of ironic. I moved all my stuff 6 months ago, all the way across town, and now moving it all right back into the same, basically, street. But oh well. So again, content should be coming soon once I'm all settled in. I would love it if you subscribe to the channel, because that definitely helps and will help me create more content, things like that. But otherwise, stay tuned.